Subtracting algebraic terms. We're looking to simplify this algebraic expression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It currently has 6 terms, and maybe we can combine some of the like terms so that we can make it written more simply. We're really going to be looking for those like terms. We can see we have a y and a minus 8y. They are like each other. The 7y squared, or the minus 7y squared, is not like y. These are not like each other. However, it is like the plus 6y squared. And the minus 9, there are no other single numbers there, so that won't be able to be simplified in any way. We have a y and we have a minus 8y. Let's put them together in the same bracket so we can see how they reduce down. And we have a minus 7y squared plus a 6y squared. And then we have a minus 9. Simplifying the y's, notice that if we have a single y, that's a 1y. 1 take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Takes us down to negative 7y and negative 7y squared plus 6y squared. We start down at negative 7, then go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We end up at negative 1y squared, and we have minus 9. The only thing I would suggest is that here, again, if we want to try and simplify our answer, we have a plus and a minus together. We're adding on a minus, that's equivalent of doing a minus. We also can rewrite it then. Negative 7y minus 1y squared, we can write as y squared minus 9. And that's our simplified answer.